Hey, what's going on guys, RBOMG here, and today I am going to show you how to create a notebook page using Java Blockly coding or programming, whatever you want to say that. So these are also blocks, and this is from White Hat Junior class C2. And yeah, this was my project right here. I have already done this, so I'm just going to give you a example and help you how to do it yourself. So yeah, let's get started. As you can see, these are all of the blocks, and I'm just gonna show you what we have to make first. So this will be there. This is the artist, and using these code blocks we will make this. So let's get started. So first of all we have to draw a blue line. So set color to blue. There, set color. You can choose the colors from here. Set color to blue here. Now turn right by 180 degrees. So let's see what happens. Okay, that's weird. Now I think this is right. This should be right here. Oh, right, because it's moving facing that way, so that's why it's 180 degrees. Now jump forward by 130 pixels. There we go. Now turn right by 90 degrees. You can choose the degrees from here. See, we're just going to stay at 90. Okay, there we go. So now move forward by 150 pixels. Now it will draw in blue color, as we have set the color to blue right here. Now there, and now 180 degrees, go back. So this whole line is 300 pixels long, 150 and 150, so 300 pixels. Okay, now turn right by 180 degrees and jump forward by 150 pixels. Well, now we are in the middle, Now move forward by 150 pixels again. There we go. Now turn right by 180 degrees. Now jump forward by 250 pixels. Now we're gonna go at the top here. Okay, now turn right by 90 degrees, and now we are going to draw the upper line. I don't know what we call it, but okay, the red line on the top. Okay, so now we're going to set the color to red here. Now move forward by 260 pixels. Okay, so this line is 260 pixels long, and every other line will be 260 pixels long too, and the black ones too, So turn right by 90 degrees. Okay, now jump forward by only 10 pixels, not more than that, neither not less than that. So yeah, turn right by 90 degrees. Okay, now move forward by 260 pixels, and there we go. There we have it. Okay, so now turn left by 90 degrees. Okay, jump forward by 40 pixels and turn left by 90 degrees, and then set color to black. There we go. Come up. Okay, now move forward by 260 pixels. As I told you that all of the lines will now be of 260 pixels. Only I could have used a loop block here, but I tried to, but I don't know why, but I was able to do it. Alright, so turn right by 90 degrees. Jump forward by 40 pixels. Turn right by 90 degrees. And move forward by 206 pixels. There. Now turn. Hey. Okay, turn left by 90 degrees. Then again jump forward by 40 pixels. Now turn left by 90 degrees. This is just the repeat. I'm just gonna do it quickly. There, turn right, jump forward by 40 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 260, 90, jump forward by 40, turn left by 90, move forward by 260, turn right by 90, jump forward by 40, turn right by 90, and the last block, move forward. Hey, go back. Okay. Move forward by 260. So that is it. It's very simple, and I'll even put the link down below, and you can check this project on your own if you want to. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. And if you like this video, then drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.